What's up? Today, we are going to help you make money online. In this video, we will show you how to earn up to $150 per day using Canva and affiliate marketing. But what is Canva, by the way? Canva is a graphic design platform that offers pre-made templates for creating logos, social media posts, banners, and much more. It's an excellent tool for designing and promoting your products. Canva is user-friendly, and you don't need to have any prior design skills to create stunning graphics. Now, what is affiliate marketing? Affiliate marketing is a process where you promote someone else's product and receive a commission for every sale made through your unique affiliate link. The commission rate can vary depending on the product and the affiliate marketplace you choose. Affiliate marketing is an effective way to make money online as it requires minimal investment and can be done from anywhere. Step 1. Sign up for Canva and affiliate marketplace. The first step is to create a free Canva account and sign up for ClickBank or any other affiliate marketplace. Choose a product that you would like to promote and generate your unique affiliate link. Make sure to choose a product that you are familiar with and that you believe in. This will make it easier for you to promote the product to your audience. Step 2. Use Canva to create promotion images. Canva has a wide range of pre-made templates that you can use to create your promotion images. You can also create your own design using the various tools available on the platform. Make sure to add attractive text, images, and a call to action button to encourage people to click on your affiliate link. The promotion images should be eye-catching and relevant to the product you are promoting. Step 3. Get free traffic from Pinterest and Imager. Pinterest and Imager are two excellent platforms to get free traffic to your promotion images. Create a Pinterest board related to the product you are promoting and post your images with your affiliate link. Similarly, create an Imager account and post your images with your affiliate link in relevant categories. Make sure to include relevant keywords in your posts to increase the chances of your images showing up in search results. Step 4. Post at least 10 times daily. Posting regularly on Pinterest and Imager is key to getting more clicks and sales. Make sure to post at least 10 times daily on both platforms with your promotion images and affiliate link. However, make sure not to spam your audience as this can have a negative effect on your promotion. In conclusion, Canva is an excellent tool for creating attractive promotion images, and affiliate marketing is an effective way to make money online. By following these simple steps, you can start earning up to $150 per day. Remember to choose a product that you believe in and create eye-catching promotion images. Also, post regularly on Pinterest and Imager to get more clicks and sales. If you learned something new with me today, hit that like button and give us some love by leaving us a comment. Subscribe to the channel for more ways you can earn money through passive income online. If you have any questions, feel free to share it in the comments. Happy hustling!